This video wouldn't exist without you. Someone in the comments asked me to teach Doctor Visit English. And I'm so glad they did because this is huge. If you're sick in America and you can't communicate with your doctor, that's not just stressful, that's scary. So today I'm giving you 117 chunks that Americans actually use at the doctor. Not textbook English. Real chunks from real appointments. And by the end of this, you're going to walk into any doctor's office and own that conversation. Let's go. All right, picture this. You're in America, you wake up, you don't feel good. You need to see a doctor. But you freeze because you don't know what to say. First thing you got to do is call and make an appointment. And this is where I'm going to give you the exact chunks Americans use. Ready? I'd like to make an appointment. I need to see a doctor. Is Dr. Smith available? What times do you have open? Do you have anything this week? I'm a new patient. I've been there before. What's the earliest you have? Can I get in today? I'm not feeling well. It's kind of urgent. What's your cancellation policy? Can I reschedule? That works for me. I'll take it. See how natural those are? You're not constructing sentences. You're just using chunks. That's 15 chunks right there. And you already sound like a native speaker making an appointment. Now, plot twist. You got your appointment, you show up at the doctor's office, and the first person you see is the receptionist. They're gonna ask you things. They're gonna need information, and you need to be ready. So let me give you these chunks. I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. I'm here to see Dr. Johnson. My appointment is with Dr. Lee. I'm a little early. Sorry I'm late. Here's my insurance card. Do I need to fill out any forms? I already filled them out online. Can I update my information? My address has changed. What's my copay? Do you take this insurance? How long is the wait? Is the doctor running on time? Can I use the restroom? Where should I sit? Thanks for your help. I appreciate it. Boom. You just handled the entire check-in. 18 chunks and you're sitting in the waiting room like you own the place. Now here comes the big moment. They call your name, you walk into the exam room, and the doctor or nurse looks at you and says, "What brings you in today?" This is your moment. This is where you describe what's wrong, and I'm gonna give you every chunk you need. I'm not feeling well. I've been feeling off. Something's not right. I've been feeling run down. I'm under the weather. I have a bad cough. I have a sore throat. I've been throwing up. I feel nauseous. I have a fever. I'm burning up. I have chills. I'm really tired. I've been exhausted. It hurts when I swallow. It's been bothering me. The pain comes and goes. It's constant. It's getting worse. It won't go away. It started last week. It's been going on for days. I can't sleep because of it. I'm really worried about it. Now you're communicating. 24 chunks, and the doctor knows exactly what's happening. You're not struggling. You're flowing. But wait, the doctor's gonna ask you more. When did it start? Where does it hurt? How bad is it? And you need chunks to answer those questions. Let me give them to you. It started 3 days ago. It's been about a week. I'm not sure exactly when. It's right here. It's on my left side, and it's in my chest. It feels sharp. It's more of a dull ache. It's throbbing. It's pretty bad. On a scale of 1 to 10, maybe a 7. I took some ibuprofen. I tried over-the-counter medicine. Nothing helped. It helped a little. No, I don't have any allergies. I'm allergic to penicillin. I'm currently taking medication for that. I'm not on any medications. I had this before. See what just happened? 20 more chunks and you can answer anything. You're having a real conversation now, not panicking, not freezing, just talking. All right, now the doctor finishes the exam and they start explaining what's going on. They're going to use their chunks and you need to understand them. So let me give you the chunks doctors actually say, because if you don't know these, you're going to be lost. It looks like you have a cold. You have a viral infection. It's probably the flu. You have strep throat. Your throat is pretty red. Your lymph nodes are swollen. I'm going to run some tests. We'll do some blood work. I'd like to get an X-ray. Let me write you a prescription. This should help. Take this twice a day. Take it with food. Finish the whole bottle. Even if you feel better, you should rest. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay hydrated. Come back if it gets worse. Call us if you have any concerns. Perfect. 20 more chunks and now you understand what the doctor is saying. You know what to do. You know how to take your medicine. You know when to come back. No confusion, no fear, just clarity. But here's the thing. You might have questions. And you should ask them. Because this is your health. So let me give you the chunks for asking questions. Because Americans don't just sit there and nod. We ask, what do you think it is? Is it serious? Should I be worried? Is it contagious? How long will this last? When will I start feeling better? What should I avoid? Can I go to work? Should I stay home? Are there any side effects? What if it doesn't get better? When should I come back? Do I need a follow-up? Can you explain that again? I didn't quite catch that. There you go. 15 more chunks and you're not just a patient. You're an active participant in your own healthcare. You're asking questions. You're getting answers. You're in control. And finally, before you leave, you gotta wrap it up. Say thank you, confirm the plan, and head out. Here are the final 5 chunks. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. I'll follow your instructions. I'll call if anything changes. See you next time. And that's it. You just went through an entire doctor visit, from the phone call to walking out the door. 117 real American chunks. Now here's what I need you to hear. You don't need to memorize all 117 right now. That's not the point. The point is this. Pick 5 chunks from this video, the ones you think you'll need most. Maybe it's, I'm not feeling well. Maybe it's, what do you think it is? Maybe it's, how long will this last? Doesn't matter which 5, just pick 5. Write them down. Say them out loud. 3 times each, right now. Because here's the truth. This isn't just about learning English. This is about your health. This is about your safety. This is about being able to take care of yourself when it matters most. And I am so proud of you for showing up here, for taking this seriously, for preparing yourself for real-life situations. Now here's where you take over. This video exists because one person left a comment. One comment asking for Dr. English. And look what happened. So what do you want to learn next? I'm serious. Drop a comment right now. Work English, travel phrases, restaurant conversation, phone calls, dating English, job interviews. Tell me what you need. Because this channel isn't about what I think you should learn. It's about what you actually need. This is your space, your learning journey, your channel. So tell me where you're stuck. Tell me what situations make you nervous. And I'm gonna show up and teach you the chunks you need. Hit subscribe because next video we're going deeper into real American English. The kind you actually use. Not the kind you memorize for tests. You're not just learning English here, you're building confidence, you're building independence. You're building a life where language doesn't hold you back anymore. I'm Mark. This is English Flow. And we just made doctor visits a less scary. Now go practice those 5 chunks. Drop your comment telling me what's next. And I'll see you in the next one. Let's go.